It's great for directors, although sometimes I think they feel a bit inhibited by the technology, not understanding that they still have full control over their vision, over the images, over being able to move actors and stage setups. It just happens in a different sort of timeline in the window. Directors are very involved, obviously, in the pre-visualization, the pre-production standpoint, and making decisions and sign-offs around the world, the staging, what artifacts from set design, working with production designers and DOPs and lighting, so that the ideas, when they get to production, they can just execute their vision. There are some things, of course, they can still change when they get on set, but the idea is to have as much locked off as possible so that the production is very efficient and smooth.